Now, all this week on the show, you're hearing about just some of the many products made right here in Nottinghamshire, which are exported around the globe. And you know that some of the county's biggest exports in the past were things like lace and rally bikes and Bramley apples. Times have changed, though, haven't they? They are not the only successful products to have been made here. Did you know that the technology behind wind turbines in China was developed in Newark? Well, Dr. Xiaobing, who is from Romax Technology, he's the Director of Exports to China there. Hello, good morning to you.
Hello, Andy.
Tell me what it is that you make in Nottinghamshire and export to China.
Well, we are engineering consultancy company, and we make software product as well as engineering service, export that to globally, including China.
Right. So why would the Chinese not be able to do that themselves?
Because UK has the very long history of the offshore wind turbine industry, and we are the leading in this industry. So China has started recently on the wind turbine business, and Romax used to do transmission designs and all sort of technology around this sector. And recently we also use that technology to wind turbine drivetrains, and very successful. So then we recently exported the technology to China to help the local business to set up their own manufacturing plant, and to train their own staff, and to be able to design their own wind turbine gearboxes by themselves.
Yeah, but does that mean that you're going to lose business eventually, though?
Well, because we are focused on innovation, so we have been investing into R&D. So we always create new technology, and we always leading technology in that sector. So we are not afraid of sharing innovation with our client. That's why we can always work with our clients, tell them what to do. So China has a saying that give a man a fish, you feed them for a day. Give a man teach them how to fish, you feed them for a lifetime. So we not only tell them how to have a fish for dinner, but also tell them how to fish, how to design their own turbines. But most importantly, we also give them a fishing net, which means our design tools for software. The software is the technology behind the wind turbines, so also give the technology to them to enable them to design by themselves.
Right. Now, Mirelle Ball is also here from Romax. Hello, Mirelle. Morning to you. So how big is the sort of China market for you as a company?
It's very big, and it's been sort of increasing over, I think we set up our first office in 2007. We've now got 3 offices in China. Just to add to Xiaobing's point as well, what we're really looking at here is sort of offshore wind development, and that's climate change. So sharing that expertise is great for us as in the UK, as it is globally, because it's a global issue, which I think is quite an important point.
Yeah, but I'm still. I know I like the analogy about the fish. That's really, I understand that, but it does mean that as a company, the stuff that you do, you won't be able to then sell to the Chinese anymore, doesn't it? Don't you shoot yourself in the foot by doing that?
Not necessarily, because for all the technology behind it is our know-how, our expertise, our team of engineers. So we are in the Nottingham, which is a unique position, and we moved from Newark to Nottingham because it's central location, because of the gets access to bright talents here, and convenient to travel. So we attract more than 16 nationalities in our company. So we are very unique in providing our engineering services, providing our simulation tools, providing our total solution to the industry. This is what is very unique about Romax. It's it cannot be done within a very short period from Chinese side.
Okay, yeah. I see. So, and how has all this developed? You know, how have we got to the position where Romax does what it does now in Nottinghamshire? What's the history of the company, if you like?
Well, I think it started out the business as a single idea from our founder and president, Dr. Peter Poon, who was a roll-bearing expert in Newark, and the company just sort of grew and grew from there, really.
And Newark's been known for its bearings, isn't it, for many a year, because it's been doing that since the war, really, isn't it?
Definitely, and I think because, the Midlands is a kind of heritage in automotive engineering, We've sort of stayed in Nottingham. We find it a great place to be. We've got close links with the university, and we've grown to currently 120-ish staff in the UK and 250 worldwide. So, and we're continuing to expand at a rate of 30%.
Okay, well, thank you both for explaining a little bit more about what you make in Nottinghamshire and export to China. There's a surprise. And more about exports all this week on BBC Radio Nottingham. Stuff that's made here and goes all over the world.